ain't the one for me. You ain't got shit I need. Want me to take my time with you. Maybe I'm not your speed. Maybe I'm not your league. You ain't even got no cheese. Maybe I'm just too G for you. Maybe I'm just too street. I can even roll in peace. Everybody notice me.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cece and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll be making some Valentine's Day lip gloss. So as usual, I already added the lip gloss base and I'm adding some coconut oil and some olive oil, and then I'm going to be adding my pigments. For these glosses, I'll be using the lip pigments. That's all you type in when you go to TKB Trading. And I believe I paid $2.65 for it. Not too sure, but I'm just going to be mixing everything all together. And I'm going to be putting a little at a time because I didn't want it to come out red. I wanted it to be like a bright pink. So that's what I'm doing here. Now that I got the color that I wanted, I added some more coconut oil because it was too thick for me. I wanted to be a little bit more smooth, so I just keep adding coconut oil till I have the texture that I wanted. Now I'm going to be adding some, what is it called? Some scented oil, and I did get it from Amazon. And for this particular color, I am using grapefruit. Now adding the preservative oil, and some of you do ask me if it's the number 2 or 5, and it is number 2 when you go to TKB Trading. I'm gonna go ahead and start adding some glitter, and this glitter I did buy from Michael's. I believe it was $5, and you get 5 colors, and it's very fine. It's a very fine glitter. I don't know why I showed that twice, but yeah, it's a very fine glitter, so you won't be feeling it on your lips. I'm just going to go ahead and start filling up my lip gloss tubes. As you guys can tell, my hands are shaking because I have so much caffeine in a day. I drink Dunkin' Donuts latte, and then when I get to work, I drink coffee again. So that's why my hands are shaking. getting started with the other lip gloss, I am using a powdered pigment, and it is from TKB Trading as well. I am repeating the same steps, so no need to keep talking, so enjoy the video, guys.